Still working on this Mustang. We've got it on the rotisserie, and you can see this is called the inner rocker. So here's the outer rocker. It's obviously painted. Here's the inner rocker that supports the floor, gives this convertible more strength, and you can see how bad it looks. Today we're taking the torque box out, which gives it strength between this frame and the rocker. It's rusted out too, and you can see an example of what we've done to fix that. Here's the new torque box that we haven't ground the welds on it, but we've got it in. And then here's the new rocker down here that extends all the way down to the back. And here's the torque box in the back where the rear spring mounts. This has been replaced, as you can see right here. Need to grind those welds. But look at all the bracing that we did on this to make it secure so that nothing would move on us. So this would all fit back together properly. So we put all sorts of bracing there, and then we put the lift arms underneath the outer rocker to make sure that the car didn't shift, and then we checked this with a straight edge to make sure that it's totally straight. Next step is to get back here in the back and get the wheel tub back in. We had to fix rust right here on the frame. You can see that's done. Fix some more rust on the frame right here. And now we're going to start up here in this area and try to resolve some of this.